Fam, this one is big. Imagine suing a big Australian media company and actually winning over $1 million kina. Well, that's exactly what PNG's very own William Duma just did. Let's break it down. The whole drama, the court case, and what it really means for us here in PNG and beyond. Setting the scene. So here's the story. Back in 2020, the Australian Financial Review, that's one of the big newspapers in Australia, published a bunch of articles about William Duma, who was then Papua New Guinea's Minister for Petroleum and Energy. These articles basically accused him of corruption and dodgy deals. Heavy stuff, right? Now Duma wasn't having it. He said, "Nope, this is defamation. You've damaged my reputation. You've made me look corrupt without any proper evidence." So he took them to court. And not in PNG. He went straight to the Australian Federal Court in Sydney. The court battle. The case went on for a few years. Lawyers, evidence, cross-examinations, the full works. The judge? Justice Anna Katzmann. And let me tell you, she didn't hold back. She said the journalists, especially one of them named Angus Grigg, were poor witnesses, and that their stories were full of errors. Ouch. She basically called out the newspaper for bad journalism. They didn't double check their facts. They didn't have the proof, but they went ahead and published anyway. At the end of the day, the court ruled in Duma's favour. Damages? A massive 545,000 Australian dollars. That's about 1.3 million kina. Plus, the media company has to cover his legal costs. That's like a double win. Why it matters. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, it's not just about Duma. This case sends a big message. First, to the media. Even big international outlets can't just publish accusations without proof. If you're going to call someone corrupt, you better have your evidence rock solid. Second, it shows PNG leaders and people in general that you can fight back if your reputation is attacked unfairly, even against big foreign companies. And third, it puts a spotlight on Australia's defamation laws. Australia is already known as one of the strictest countries for defamation, and this case just reinforces that. Journalists are now going to think twice before writing stories about PNG politics without checking the facts. The bigger picture. But of course, there's another side. Some people say cases like this could have a chilling effect on investigative journalism, meaning reporters might become too scared to dig into serious issues if they think they could get sued for millions. So it's a balancing act, protecting reputations versus protecting press freedom. And this case sits right in the middle of that debate. So, what do you think? Was the court right to award William Duma that payout? Or should the media have more freedom to investigate and publish tough stories? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this is a big one for PNG and the Pacific. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this. This is Kaku Dave, keeping you up to date on the real issues that matter. Lukim you.